its classical music journey. We have the students of grade 5 pioneers to present a beautiful composition in राग जनसमोहिनी. जनसमोहिनी एक कर्नाटक पद्धति राग है जिसने अपने मधुर स्वरों के कारण हिंदुस्तानी संगीत में भी लोकप्रियता हासिल की है.
Although Tana consists of seemingly meaningless syllables like Tanatom Tadare Tadiyana, its rhythmic diversity makes it a popular musical form. In the rag Janasamohini, this Tana has been intricately woven with notes and rhythms by the world-renowned dance guru Pandit Birju Maharaj.
You just mentioned Pandit Birju Maharaj ji, but do you know which multiple intelligence skill did he excel in? Was it visual, spatial, verbal, linguistic, logical, mathematical, musical, rhythmic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, or bodily kinesthetic? Let me tell you, it was bodily kinesthetic skills. In addition to this, he had a heart full of compassion and fatherly love for his disciples and high emotion intelligence.
Dear parents, I am sure you might be excited to learn about all the skills mentioned here. Worry not, we are going to explain it in detail in our style in the annual gathering performances. So now, let's welcome the students of grade 5th pioneers as they present a Tarana before you.
अप्रतिम अप्रतिम. से थँक्यू.